Juicer. That magic juicer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh God, please don't. No.
Now we're ready to make cocktails. Are you ready? And we're so lucky today because we got Adam. Cut that up.
You designed it. Sure. There you go. All right. That's a hot griddle. Leave them. Don't stir them around. Don't mix it.
Holy cow, we have 2.5 cups tequila.
Oh, this is a good idea.
I don't like this. Half a cup Ancho Redes Verde Leblano liquor. Then we have 12 ounces pineapple juice.
Couple limes.
And look at no splashing. You need half a cup. Once you've added all your liquids, refrigerate for like an hour.
We're garnishing this with mint and sliced jalapeno and some grilled pineapple. Let's give them some heat. Pineapple. Drop that in. Pure tequila.
Now he's
Splash of topo. Cheers. What's this called?
a grilled pineapple tequila punch.
It tastes exactly what I expected it to taste like.
Like tequila.
Yeah.
Always keep it real, don't we? Happy
Party on.
Friday. Party on with the cocktail captain here. We'll see you next week.